Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you read out on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of job or Indeed job app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here we click on storage. As you see, we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your